Let me show you how to make the crispiest, juiciest chicken wings with zero oil. Just your air fryer and a few pantry staples. Start with 1 kg of chicken wings. Have for maximum crispiness. The marinade is simple but powerful. Soy sauce for depth, oyster sauce for richness, and barbecue seasoning for that smoky kick. Massage it in and let the flavor soak for 15 minutes. No need to wait hours. Into the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. That circulating heat works magic. The skin tightens into a glass-like crisp while the meat stays incredibly moist. No flipping, no babysitting. Just set it and forget it. Finish with fresh scallions for brightness. What you get is pure perfection. Crackling exterior, giving way to tender, flavorful meat. The kind of chicken wings that make napkins mandatory.